Hello and welcome. I'm Kevin, and today's video is all about affiliate marketing traffic sources. Now, I don't care whatever you're doing online, you need traffic. By traffic, I mean prospects, I mean leads, I mean potential buyers, probable purchasers, whatever you want to call them. This is the life's blood of making money online, and you need traffic sources. So I'm going to show you one that I think is going to blow it out of the water for you. I'm going to introduce you to a system called the instant passive system, and I'm going to take you through every bit of it, or rather I'm getting the creator to take you through every bit of it. Let me tell you what you're going to discover. Even if you're a beginner, you're going to discover a lot of things. The first thing is you're going to discover how to drive streams of unique, highly converting traffic. This is the important bit. You need traffic. You must have traffic. So how can you use this? Well, in a number of ways. You might have your own offers that you're going to drive your traffic to, or how about selling it, becoming a broker of traffic, of leads. This is very, very profitable. So you can sell this over and over and over again, and you're going to learn exactly how to do that. Also, how to realistically do this in just a few hours every day, leaving you tons of free time for yourself. Here's the sort of incomes that have been generated from this so far. In the first month, $1,000. In the second month, $3,700. In the third month, $3,700 again. And in the fourth month, $4,400. And you can be generating incomes like that very shortly. If you wait to the end of this video, right at the end, I'm going to give you some very, very valuable bonuses, and that's my gift to you. So rather than me telling you about this new product, I'm going to let the developer tell you, because he knows far more about it than I do. So let's get straight into it.
Hey there, it's Mark Whiteley here with Anthony Rusick. In a few minutes, you'll discover the exact step-by-step simple blueprint that will allow you to earn over $4,417 per month in your spare time. You'll discover a little known secret to making money online that nobody teaches or even knows about. It's so simple because you now provide something that every internet marketer needs, and that's traffic. You're about to get access to the same method that has enabled myself and many of my students to quit their day job and work from the comfort of their own home. Just check out some results that you can expect to receive using this method. So as you can see, there's $4,407, another $3,716, and another $3,707. And you can see almost every day orders coming in to the tune of $70, $350, $65, $308, $91, $150, $194, and it just goes on and on. So as you can see, this method works. And if you can follow very simple steps, then it's guaranteed to produce those same results for you too. Also, if you have never made a dime online and have no experience at all, then you're in luck. Because with this system, it's so simple and so easy that it's impossible to fail, especially when everything is step by step, quick to set up, and the results are super fast. Plus, I provide everything you'll need to succeed in record time. So if you're sick of all those push button lies and want to start making money online today, then you're on the right page. So right now, you have two options. You can either keep wasting your money on all those magic push button programs that you know never really work, or you can spend just 30 minutes a day building a proven online business by copying exactly what I do. Now, take a look at what some of my clients had to say about this system and the service that I provide. As you can see, Susan Warren says, "You've shown me the recipe of success." Rowett said, "He is just amazing. He provided quality traffic and lots of opt-ins. I highly recommend him." Dean goes on to say, 120 clicks, 48 opt-ins, and 6 sales. Awesome solar ad, and I'll order again. Annette says, "Thank you for your top quality traffic. No sale, but I highly recommend Anthony to everyone." Jimmy said, "This man is pure genius. This is the first time ever using Udemy and I got 61 opt-ins." So what you're about to get access to changes the playing field completely, because I actually reveal everything, all the hidden secrets and methods the so-called gurus don't want you to know about. I take you from a total green newbie right through to seeing money flood into your bank account in the shortest time possible. Now, after years of trial and error, I've finally come up with an easy to follow, step-by-step video course that gives you the skills you need to become a highly successful traffic vendor, which will get you clients from newbies right through to experienced gurus. Finally, a method that will see you getting paid over and over from internet marketing gurus, and you can do all this without spending ridiculous amounts of money at all. There is no need struggling and worrying about mailing your own email lists. There's no technical skills or know-how needed whatsoever. There is no need to chase friends, family, or strangers on Facebook for sales. In fact, you don't need anything at all to make this system work. And the best part is the traffic that you'll be offering will get your customers sales time and time again, and the entire process can be fully automated. So, without any further delays, let me introduce the Instant Passive System. Now, this system is guaranteed to work for anyone who can follow very simple instructions and actually applies the steps. Look, here's what a few highly successful marketers had to say about the Instant Passive System. Sol Moroney says this course was terrific. So good, very, very solid and highly recommended. Gabrielle said, this newly launched online income stream course is suitable for solo ad buyers, sellers, and newbies. Excellent and useful information, just what we needed. And Winston said, I'm a solo ad seller, and one of the challenges that I face is finding quality traffic that buys. Most of the traffic that solo ad sellers are duplicate traffic. However, this PPC training by Anthony provided a new source of traffic that is highly engaging. The step-by-step video training makes it very simple and very easy to follow and execute. Highly recommended. Now, let me give you a full breakdown of what's included in the Instant Passive System. You'll receive step-by-step full Instant Passive System video training. So it's the entire system in an easy to follow simple steps. Just follow along and copy what I do to guarantee success. You'll also be getting the entire system in an easy to digest PDF version, allowing you to follow along both via video training and through the training PDFs. Plus, you'll receive checklists to ensure that you're able to stay on track and complete each of the simple steps in order. Also, you get full access to the Instant Passive System membership site, so you'll find all the training, the resources, and more all in the one secure place. Now, you're probably thinking that a proven system like this, with everything you're receiving, is going to cost you a pretty penny. And with the results that we actually provide and you get and guaranteed to produce, it normally does. In fact, you'll usually be expected to invest over $500 to $1,000 per month for coaching to discover the method that I'm about to show you. After all, this system has helped countless folks, just like you, experience true online success. Just imagine the freedom you can create for yourself and your family as soon as you're producing those job-quitting paydays. Look, the price of the Instant Passive System when sold by itself is valued at $197. But the good news is you won't be paying anywhere near that today. Plus, if you take action and get in before the timer on this page hits zero, I'd like to give you free of charge these value-added bonuses to help you succeed even faster. Now, bonus number one is you're going to get access to my go-to Facebook groups for selling your traffic service and exactly how to do it. There's nothing left out at all. Bonus number two, this is huge. Access to my personal Rolodex of quality traffic providers that allows you to arbitrage for quick and easy profits. Bonus number three, you're going to get access to the private Instant Passive System Facebook group for updates, additional training, tips, success stories, and more. Now, I feel you deserve to know why I'm about to offer you such a massive discount for the results you're about to get. This massive price reduction will only be available during this special introductory launch period, which actually ends when the timer on this page hits zero. The good news is that means a much lower price for you. So your investment today with the bonuses is not going to be $297, not even half that. Actually, it's not even going to cost you $47. Your total investment today, which includes the video training, the PDFs, the checklists, and all the bonuses, is now just one tiny payment of only $9.95. To make this a complete no-brainer, you're also covered by our no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. So just try the instant passive system for yourself for 30 days. And if you're not 100% happy or have not started seeing results, then I'll gladly return every penny. No questions, no hassles. Look below this video right now. Click on the button to get instant access and claim your discounted price now. You'll be granted immediate access to everything, the instant passive system and all the bonuses. So take action today and get started making a real income online using a proven and tested system that simply works. Click the button below to get instant access and let's get started making money today. See you in the members area.
This is my bonus page, and on here I've actually put the video so you can go over this as many times as you like. And this is the developer, and you'll have seen this video once, but if you want to watch it again, here's a reminder of what he's made while testing it. And this is what it's going to cost you. Now you're probably wondering, how much is it going to be? And the cost, a one-time cost, is between $9.95 and $97. Actually, I don't believe it's ever going to get to $97. I think it'll always stay around about $10 or $12. And that's for the basic package. However, we're very lucky that the developers have actually made some what we call one-time offers, upgrades. The reason for this, if you want to make more money, and let's face it, most people want to make more money, they're going to try and entice you to do so by offering you an upgrade, and I'll show you those right now. So rather than making it one very expensive package that not so many people will buy, they let you pick and mix piecemeal what suits you. So anyway, once you bought it, you'll be able to buy the affiliate blueprint. Now this is a sales funnel. This is already being done for you. It will show you how to get customers in. So it's basically all the marketing done for you. And this is a one-time offer of just $27. And goodness, if you're going to go for this, I so suggest that you buy that, because that's very important. There's 4 one-time offers altogether. The second one is OTO2 Google Success. Now this is about using Google Ads to get more traffic. Now, don't worry about paying out. I know this is paid traffic, but just think of this. If you pay $1 but get $2 back in profits, are you going to do it again? You are. You're going to do it again and again and again, because that's how you make profit. How about if you spend $1 and you make $10 back? Because that's very profitable using Google PPC, and they're going to show you how to do it. And again, I would suggest this module, and this is $47. It's a one-off purchase. The OTO3 is a done-for-you service, and they'll actually do it for you. You don't have to push anything. With the first one-time offer, they were going to give you the funnel, but you had to do it yourself. Here are all the elements, you put it into place. This is done for you, and that's going to be $97. Again, if you don't have a lot of time, if you've got a full-time job and you still want to make this work, this is going to be for you. The last offer, the OTO4, is probably the most important of all, and this is coaching. These are people going to be showing you how to do it. You have a problem, you go to them and they'll tell you how to do it. They'll look at what you're doing, they'll get online with you, they'll share it. Now that for coaching is really very, very cheap, and it's pretty much giving you a guaranteed way of making money. Now I told you I got some bonuses for you. You'll only get them here. Now listen, the bonuses I've got, I'm not going to tell you they're worth a fortune, even though some of these here say they're worth $97. They're not. They're just little extra ideas for driving more traffic. You should be buying this for the product, but just as a gift, here are my bonuses. So I've got about 7 or 8 of them for you, and the only way you'll get them is by clicking on one of these links. The first bonus I've got is Instagram. Now Instagram, I've been making money with Instagram just recently. I got into it and I started to make profits. It's red hot right now, and this will tell you how to do it. Bonus number 2 is going to tell you how to explode your YouTube channel. Now, my YouTube channel I've been working at so hard, and now it's starting to make a profit. Not lots of profit. I can't retire just yet, but it's starting to make good profits. In about a year's time, I think it will make very good profits. And then that will be passive profits. So if you want to learn to do the same, and you don't mind getting on video, or you don't have to get on video, but you can make videos similar to this one. This will show you how to do it again. Now, bonus number 3 is a product. It's called Printly. Now, the reason I've included this in here is because I know 2 people who use Printly, and they literally rave about it. One makes his entire income from using this product alone. So that's going to be a complete product for you. I've also put 2 products on Facebook. Why? Well, Facebook is what I use a lot. Apart from doing videos and affiliate marketing, Facebook is how I do it. I've got a lot of Facebook pages and I do really well. So these are some great ideas if you want to get involved in Facebook, and I suggest you do. So all you have to do to get any of these, or to get all of these, not any of them, all of them, you get all of these just by clicking on this link. It'll take you directly through to the sales page. Watch it again, read it again if you want to. But if you purchase through my link, then when you go to collect your product, you'll be able to access the purchase, and there'll be a little blue button, which will be my bonuses. They'll be for you. Okay, so there you have it. Do you have any comments and questions? Because if you do, just write them below this video and I will answer them for you. Also, please subscribe to this channel. Just click the red subscribe button and this little bell, and I'll keep you informed every time I make a new video. When you come into YouTube, it'll tell you Kevin's made a new video, and I make quite a lot of them, so you can see what it's about. Click right straight through to it if you wish. If you enjoyed this video, could you please give me a blue thumbs up? Do that and I'll be very grateful. Anyway, I've really enjoyed making this video for you today. I've had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, where I speak to you in another video, or perhaps even an email, thank you for joining me. Bye-bye for now.